Putting an album together usually means juggling mixes, playlists, and a lot of back and forth and conversations. In this video, we'll walk through the album planner in Opusonix and show how it brings all of that into one place. You'll see how to set up an album, organize tracks, compare mix revisions in context, and share the album for feedback, all in a simple, focused workflow. Let's start with the overall layout. At the top, you can set the album title and import the album artwork by simply dragging and dropping an image. This notes area is for album-wide planning, things like sequencing ideas or high-level production notes that apply to the entire album. In the top right, you can see who's currently collaborating on the album and invite additional collaborators. On the left, there's a persistent chat, which keeps album-level conversations in one place instead of scattered across emails. To add tracks, click the plus button. You can add a new track at the end of the album, or insert one before or after an existing track. Tracks can be renamed directly in the list. To import audio, just drag a mix and drop it onto a track. When you have a new mix revision, drop it onto the same track to update the active version. If you want to compare revisions, expand the track's mix pool. All mix versions stay grouped under the same track, and you can activate different revisions with a single click, making it easy to hear each mix in the context of the full album. Reordering tracks is straightforward. Use the drag handle to move a track up or down in the album. If you want a faster way to experiment, enable swap mode. Drag one track onto another, and their positions will swap. This makes it easy to test different sequences without rebuilding the track list. For tracks you're not ready to commit to, use the alternative track section. This is a space for backup tracks or alternates that you may want to test later. You can quickly move these tracks in and out of the main album to try different arrangements without losing anything. At any point, you can press play in the player at the bottom. This lets you listen through the album from start to finish, just like a regular music player. It's useful for checking pacing, transitions, and overall flow while you're making changes. Each track has a state label to indicate where it's at in your workflow, brainstorming, in progress, or completed, so everyone knows where things stand. These are a few predefined options, but this field is fully editable, so you can type in whatever phase or label that makes sense for you and your team. Each track also has its own collaborative track workspace. That's where all feedback, notes, and discussions for that song live, keeping communication tied directly to the track and replacing long email threads. When you're ready to get external feedback, click the Share button. This creates a playlist for the current album that works like a simple web-based music player. You can send it to anyone, no login required. It's an easy way to share the album with clients or collaborators and collect feedback without giving full project access. The album planner in Opusonix gives you an album-level view of your project. You can organize tracks, compare mix revisions in context, experiment with sequencing, manage alternates, and keep feedback centralized. Whether you're planning an album early on or testing things during mixing, the album planner helps streamline the entire process. That is the album planner feature in Opusonix. We hope you'll find it helpful with your album production workflow. Please give it a try and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.